This na Pidgin newsman about and reporting. PDP local government chairman will be Honorable Marian Hart and so many other people don't escape death after wey some Omila boys that wey carry gun come cover their face. Enter inside where they do burial for Finapiri Ama village of Panigo Isile Ogoni community inside Borno local government area, Rivers State.
She's drunk.
On top this video where they real for social media where one female Lagos State Transportation Management Authority will be last man officer. They blow one man wey sit down for front of one motor after which she don't hold the driver for neck. And her colleague and some other people say that they are around and they can't drag her take her motor. And people come the yarn on top social media say this woman feel they beat her husband for her house. Ekoloma for Delta State Command they don't save 133-year-old man will be Akpezi of Midi after they kidnap her with gun come carry a motor for Otowodo Junction for inside Ugeli on Saturday. One person don't move and 4 other people don't wound well after one building collapse for inside Okwe Oshimili South local government area of Delta State. DSS don't invite one human activist and Kaduna-based businessman will be Mohammed Mahdi Shehu, we expose about 52 billion naira security vote fraud for inside Katsina State. The governor of Edo State will be People's Democratic Party governorship candidate will be Governor Godwin Obaseki. Now, he say your administration don't create at least 157,000 jobs for inside Edo State. And then this talk on Sunday for governorship debate where Channels Television organized in partnership with the Nigerian Civil Society Situation Room. The governorship candidate of All Progressive Congress for inside the Edo State election will be Pastor Sageze Yamu. Don Yan saying and like Governor Baseki Yan say about the job creation of 157,000 during the Saturday governorship debates. For on top this video where they real for social media where one call up man where wear uniform, they drink, they come they smoke shisha. The top person of a call up will be Frank Mba. Don Yan say they still torchlight this matter. So community youth with their youth president with Mr. Godswill Simon don't go catch some robbers and who go thief the lights for inside one Mr. Okele farm and they get this information and so the youth that they rush enter inside the farm don't go catch the robbers there. 125-year-old Okpo Miliki girl where they call prostitute will be Emenga Stella. A call don't catch her after which go invite 2 of her male friends that will be Francis and Dodo. Enter inside a room where a customer will be John Simon they sleep as they notice say in don't drink. And so they collect car key can't thief the lights in car. This big apple for inside one brothel for New Yanya area for Nasarawa State. They don't catch one taxi driver where they knock one lady cruise for roadside as they don't even care say people they walk up past for the road. And on top Twitter now they share this video. They don't see Governor Baseki, the People's Democratic Party governorship candidate for those states as in they sleep when they yarn for meeting with Mr. Rapio Musa Kwankwaso. As people for social media come they laugh, they call and sleepy governor. Marseille don't beat Paris Saint-Germain 1-0 on Sunday as Neymar can collect red card after winning return for COVID-19 quarantine. The 27-year-old Iranian wrestling champion will be Navid Afkari where they see for inside one anti-government protest. They don't move him on Saturday and they convict him for murder or say some international body don't call Iran say they not move him. Even the president of America will be Donald Trump and Amnesty International. For inside people that Niger lockdown house, they don't evict Prince Nelson and Kidwire on Sunday night eviction. This na Pidgin News Network with the Yam Pidgin English and I'm man about and the he na in the yam to make una get better day.